Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Oh, you should have saw Linda the other day. I forgot to tell you. She has a clear one. God. Yay! Oh, God. You don't have to stay to make a report. No, you saw it.
Don't you need to be like, oh, well, Nell's watching that show and with
I
my
would like a Christmas present.
me from myself.
Okay. Just any time next week works for me.
Okay. What's the...
Works.
Shoot for Monday.
Alright, sounds good.
You want to come out here? Could you drive out? You can. I mean, you're good at that GPS stuff.
Yeah, no, I'll find my way.
Okay, it's 120.
Honestly, I kind of respect it.
I would stay pulled over just in case.
Yeah.
I don't think he's coming for you.
Yeah, he's going for that jackass.
Scared me.
I'm glad they pulled that fucker over.
I've never seen such karma.
Oh, I'm sorry. Was I not following the rules with the police officer? Oh, please pull her over. Please pull her over. Oh, please. Oh, please pass him. Please pass him. Oh, please pass him. Please pass him. Oh. Oh.
What is she doing?
Oh, she is so gonna get pulled over. Oh, please. Oh, no. Oh, she's gonna try to pass him. She's gonna try to pass him.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
What is she doing?
I don't know, but this
Better
is
move over, man.
this is fantastic. This is the best thing I've had since sliced like ever.
This is bizarre.
This is the best. This is the best thing ever, Carson.
This is crazy.
She's totally running.
It's the gun, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she's in trouble.
She's
That's gross.
honestly, my point system is just called.
But was that the yield sign for them?
Yeah, for them. Dumbass. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Thank you, officer! Good luck, dude!
Yeah, like bro ain't getting pulled over for that.
Oh, he's gonna stop somebody. He's gonna stop him because he didn't move. Yes! Get him! Get his ass! You're supposed to move over. Yeah! I knew it! I knew it!
Damn.
You're supposed to move over when you see a cop. That's why he didn't go for me, because I moved.
Wow. That's crazy.
Instant karma, baby! Woo!
Police reported ahead.
New York City, midnight. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when.
Oh! Karma Cop! Yep, they sure did. That was awesome.
One thing's clear.
Which one? What side?
Right here.
Oh, well, the road's over all on his brakes and stuff. 69 in America, South 40. Ooh, that's not looking good. The rocker is teaming up on a big number 2 smash. I'm gonna make you love me. The Supreme is the It's not gonna really get anywhere because everyone's driving the closer to the speed limit.
Ooh, and there goes my man. Go get him. Yes.
Yes! Yes, CHP! Yes, CHP!
Woohoo! Hey. You there? Hey, what's going on? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, get wrecked, bro! Oh, you, buddy!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.